Hey, what's up? It's James, and today I'm going to show you what a good funnel looks like compared to a horrible funnel. I want you guys to kind of understand exactly what we're looking for when we're looking at these websites, because if you're doing any type of prospecting, you want to be able to pull up their website and then rip it apart with an analytical mind and figure out what they could improve on to drive conversions better. I run multiple six-figure funnels, and I can tell you when you're spending a lot of ad dollars, you definitely want every single thing to be perfectly optimized, because when you're getting traffic, it's very expensive to get this traffic. So you really want to make sure that nobody bounces. So today I'm going to walk you guys through how you can spot problems wrong with people's websites. And then from there, we can go ahead and create a template for them, then sell to them. Because right now there are a ton of shitty websites. I was just scrolling through the plumbing niche. Let me show you right here. And it's unbelievable how many horrible websites there are. For example, this is one that I found earlier. Plumbing Inc. Look at all of these white boxes here. Everything just looks outdated. It just doesn't look good. Everything's very blocky. The images aren't very high quality. As you can tell, you can't even read these testimonials. So right up in the top here, the only thing they have going for them is a call today, but you can't even click it to call it. So if you're on mobile right now, let's switch over. Okay, look, it's not even optimized for mobile. Do you guys see this? So if I were to pull this up on mobile, this is what it would look like. And this is just a perfect example of a lot of these websites and funnels are just, they're not optimized. So this is something that you can reach out to this company and sell them a mobile optimized website, because this obviously isn't doing the job, especially when most people nowadays are using their phones to go ahead and find these companies through Google Maps like we just did right here. They're not going to be able to navigate on this website. This is another one I found, Sun Plumbing, and it was updated literally last year, and it's just unbelievably horrible. Let's go ahead and click. Okay, so if we switch over to mobile, it is mobile optimized. Let's see what this does. Okay, that just brings us to the bottom. So there still is no call to action that you can click to get in touch with this company. A few things I would improve right away is obviously this looks very outdated with the white box. You want some type of banner up here in the hero section. And the hero section is just anything in this top fold. I used to be in the printing game, and we used to call this above the fold. And it means that if a newspaper or some type of advertisement is folded in half, you'll be able to see this top part. So it's really more important than any other section. You definitely want a clear call to action right in the top here. You would like a phone number so you can call them right away. Even if we click the contact us, it doesn't look like we can click the phone number. So when you're on mobile, it's not gonna let you click it and call them. All right, these are called trust badges at the bottom, and they are very outdated. This isn't really a good representation. Website made by Salt Pepper Websites. Let's see what Salt Pepper Websites is about. They better have a better website than this. And right now you can tell it's a very slow loading time. Right now it is still trying to connect to this. Okay, so obviously you saw how slow that this loaded, right? This means that their website is not optimized for speed. So right away you can, if you like, you can copy this and go to page load speed. If you go to page speed and then you type in their website, it'll run an analysis on it and it'll tell you exactly how long it takes for somebody to land on that. Now, when you're on mobile, this is really important because a few seconds could determine if the person's gonna sit there and wait for it to load or not. So you have huge amount of fall off right when somebody's trying to connect to your website. If it's not very fast and it's maybe a WordPress site and it's not optimized for speed, then you're gonna have people fall off. The page speed insight will give you a diagnosis of the SEO, best practices, accessibility, all that good stuff. So first content paint was 1.1 seconds. It's actually not that bad. Largest content paint was 27.9 seconds. That was probably what we saw in the background, that it just didn't load. And this isn't a very big homepage either. So obviously this person does not really know anything about websites. Let's see how much they're selling websites for. So here, this person right here is selling websites for $200 and then $200 annually to host the site. The annually to host the site is actually pretty good. I would charge anywhere from $50 to $100 per month to host a website. So they do it cheaper there, but the level of website you're getting from this person is horrible. Let's see what their call to action looks like. I don't even know if these people are still in business. I'm just having fun kind of funnel hacking them right now. All right, so now that I've shown you a few terrible websites, let's go ahead and look at one that does it well. So I found this company called Best St. Pete. Okay, now here's a company that I think does this very well. Now they do have a lot of stuff at the top because this is a website, not a funnel. But if we look at it, they have a call button here that I can click, and you can tell at the very bottom left, it gives the phone number. At the top, you can go ahead and click this email to get in touch with them right away as well. Let's go ahead and switch over to mobile. I'm just pressing F12 and it brings me to the mobile page. So it is optimized for mobile. So this is really great right here. I really love what they did with the top of this website. So right away, they're letting you know that they're open weekends. Here's the number to call. You can click that once and start calling them. Here's the address. Perfect. And then there's a contact us button. Okay. Everything is responsive when you scroll down, meaning it's optimized for mobile. Now, I noticed that when I was off of mobile, if you hover over these, they change colors. So that's a really good indication. Just kind of shows that they're really paying attention to the nuances of this website. All right, this is another great feature here where they show kind of what their services are: gas, water, sewer, and you can kind of hover over and they move. So when you have any type of assets that move like this, it really does make for more of an interactive experience when you're on their website. So that's something that's really good. And if we go ahead and click through, let's see where that brings us. Very quick page load time as well. I really like how quickly it popped up. Now, this is a great image here showing people smiling and getting underneath, doing some work there. You can go ahead and schedule a job. So this does this really well because down here it has a schedule a job, which is their call to action. So that is right within reach. I maybe would have moved it up to the top, but they already do have a phone number already up here. Okay, let's go back to their homepage. Looks like they have some coupons and their financing. So you can learn more here. These are their upsells, obviously. Here's an upsell, and then here's a coupon. We scroll down a little bit more, and they go ahead and give some social proof. So social proof section is very important here. As you can see, it shows how many jobs that they've completed, how many markets that they cover, and then this kind of like lets you know what they're doing and that they're active. And when you scroll down through it, it usually runs up a timer, so it kind of shows that it's updating it, which is great. Now here, what our customers are saying, like I said, this is social proof, and this is really key to have on your website. You really want to make sure that you are showing what a finished job, a happy customer is going to be getting. Quick response to fix my problem, professional, respectful young man. I'll be calling St. Pete Plumbing in the future. And then it includes what kind of services that they did. Now, they're all these little 5 stars. Now, it looks like these are just images. Sometimes they have this pulled from their Google My Business page or something else. Other times they just kind of write exactly what you need and put it here, just because this gets rid of any type of buying objection. Because now I can look here and say, okay, the service was done very good, had several items to repair, and is all completed in a timely manner. Okay, so just by reading this review, I'm already getting reassurance that, okay, timely manner, they have a nice person that came, very professional. See, everything in here is going to be helping make the sale for them. Okay, so let's keep going down here, things to know. So this is a great section to have on your website. Some funnels I wouldn't use this for because you don't really need to show any type of facts. These are probably questions that they've been asked so many times. Sometimes it's easier to just put these questions on here so somebody can click through them if they have any objections. So the facts part of a website is definitely going to be dealing with any type of objection that you have. Okay, and here at the very bottom they have their form fill. I would say that that's something I would put at the top. I would maybe put it over here on the right side, so then that way right on the hero section you can go in there. Now I bet if we click learn more right here, it's going to take us there. And if it doesn't, brings us to About Us page. Okay, so I don't think that is the best right there. So obviously you'd want to change that. You would need some type of form fill at the top, and then it would be perfect. But this is a very good example of a funnel that works, and it is a very well done funnel. I would say that this website probably cost anywhere between maybe $1,000 to $2,500 for them to make for this company. The amount of attention to detail on here, you can really tell that they put in the time and really try to make it look really good. And there's another thing. There's a reason that St. Pete's Plumbing, there's a reason that they have 431 reviews, all 5-star, well, 4.9. There's a reason that they're topping the charts here for SEO, as when we type this in, we could type in plumbing. This is one of the first ones I ran across. You can also text this phone number as well. So this is someone that's doing a great job, and this is what all websites really should be looking like. But like I showed you before, that's not what's out there right now. There are a ton of crappy websites that look like this, and all you have to do is call these people on the phone and tell them that you can make them a website that looks 100 times better, because all we need to do is go over here, go into high level, go into sites on the left side, go into new funnel, go into from template, hit continue, And then here, all we have to do is type in plumbing, and all of these come up that we can use. Let's just look over them real quick. See, this one's pretty good as well. It's got the services here. I would still change a few things around, and all you have to do is just hit continue, and it's just gonna add this template right into your site builder. And then all we have to do is open up the site, and in here, we can just plug in their logo and say, hey, if you want to get on a call, I made you guys a great website. It looks 1,000 times better than your current website. A great tactic here is to actually call up one of these companies that has a bad website and let them know about St. Pete Plumbing. Say, hey, the #1 plumber in your area that gets the most leads and ranks is St. Pete's Plumbing. They have a beautiful website, and I just want to let you know that I've built you a website. And if you want to check it out, you want to jump on a call later, I can show you exactly what it looks like. And then we can see if we want to work with each other. Because look how much better this stock website from the templates that I just got from Go High Level looks compared to that shitty website. So this is perfect. This actually even almost looks better than St. Pete's. Once you just plug in the proper marketing in here, you can just click inside of this and then hit the AI button right here and go generate with AI. And then we just type in plumbing heroes section and then just hit generate. Perfect. And it gives you 3 options here. Crack-free pipes, heroic fixes, your ultimate plumbing champions to arrive and save the day. Unleash the power of expert plumbing, your go-to solution for leak-free living. Unleash the power of professional plumbing. Quick solutions for every pipe and leak. Okay, I like this one. We're just gonna go ahead and hit copy and then continue. That's automatically gonna fill this in here. And you can do that to every Laura Ipsum section that you see. You just select all, AI content button, generate with AI, plumbing leak detection copy, and just hit enter. Perfect. Say goodbye to water worries, uncover the hidden leaks with precision ease before they cause major damage. Copy that over. Okay, I like this one better. Stop drips in their track with precision leak detection. Your first step to a dry, secure home. Copy that over and hit continue, and that's just gonna go ahead and fill that in. Now, you can go ahead and show this to them in a Zoom call and say, we're gonna put your logo in the top left, but this is kind of what we've been doing for you guys. It's a great way to close a client for $200-300 a website and $50 to $100 per month on hosting. This is how I would sell these websites. Just hit save at the top and then go ahead and give that over to them. Now, I hope you guys gained some value from today. If you guys wanna learn more about how to build these websites out fully, go ahead and click over here. I have another video. I've gone ahead and built you guys a free course on how to completely white label your own SaaS agency, and I've left a link down below. I don't sell anything. This is 100% for free. So go ahead and click that link below and get signed up. It's a 7-video module course that helps walk you through every single step of the way. I also have a private Discord that you can join below. Now, I'll see you guys in the next one.